Does anyone know? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hey guys.
Yes, we can hear, we can hear.
Okay. So what are those five elements? Five the main concept in statistics. Any idea? So how you can answer the questions? What are those five things? Agnes? Somebody's reconnecting. Who's that? Okay. So what are the main five concepts? So I think this is very basic thing, guys. All right. So you should know that. Okay. So what are those? Is first is you need to collect. So once you data, so when you make a data collection, so that is first and foremost. Okay. First is you need to collect the data, and after that, what you need to organize. All right. That's the second step. You're going to organize the data. Okay. So when is this organized? The data from the data you make a collection. Okay. After that, what is that? What will be next steps? Once you just organize your data. Hmm? Oh, you guys using a chat? Oh, okay, cool. All right. So this is yeah, you analyze. All right. After once you obtain the data, then you need to analyze the data. Okay. All right. What else after that? Hello. What will be the last step? So once after you analyze the data, that's very basic, guys. You can type interpret. Okay, that is just interpret, but that is something in line with a your conclusion. Okay, so you can say that the five major things. First, you need to collect the data. All right. First, you need to make a data collection. Okay. So first is you need to collect the data, collect collection. Second is you need to You need to organize. Hmm? Okay, I think nobody really check now. Guys, you can chat, all right, while we just like you're answering these questions. Okay. So let me discuss the questions one by one. Okay. All right. So the first main five concept. First, you need to start from the collection. Okay, data collection, and then you need to organize. All right, you organize the data, and third will be you need to summarize. Okay, you need to summarize the data. And then fourth, after one summarize, you need to analyze. Okay, and then the final part will be conclusion. Okay, so that usually your 5 steps you need to know when you just make a data collection. Okay, so that is a very important to know that. Remember. Okay, look at that. The question 1.2. Okay, all right. So what the questions they ask for? Nelson's company survey consumers in 47 markets from Europe, Asia Pacific, the Americas, and the Middle East to determine which factors are most important in determining where to buy the groceries. Okay, so using a scale of one low and as a low and two as a five, so mean you this a rank. So one the scale is one means low and high means very high, and the highest rated factors. Oh, Dave is joining. Okay, the highest rated factors was good value for money, with an average point score of 4.32, so on. The second highest score factors was the better selection of high quality brands and products, with an average points of score of 3.78, and then lowest rated factors was user recycle bags with an average points 2.71, and Nelson's website February 2004, February 24 and 2008. Suppose that you have been hired a grocery store chain to conduct similar studies to determine what factors customers at the chain stores in Kellogg's, North Carolina, think are the most important in determining where they buy groceries. All right. So this is you need to determine the stuff that you know to know based on the given information. First, you need to determine the population. What is the population for that survey that you will be conducted? All right. All right. So before you start this, so first you need to know that. All right, the population. What does it mean? The population. All right, population in Central. You all know that. Okay. So how are you going to conduct that? How gonna do that? So this will be the population will be from where? So which customers you need to consider? Which customers, which population for the survey that you will be conducted? So you already given all the information out of it. So the point the chain stores in Carlots in North Carolina. Okay, so since I already know that, right? So the population you need to consider everything, everyone. Okay, the all customers of the chain stores in Charlotte, North Carolina. So that you get a 2 months for that. Okay, state 4 way of data collection for this study. Okay, what is the four state of data collection for this study? So they already given some of information out of this. So you need to determine that what is the 4 way of the data collection can be made. guys? You can chat over here. Dave, can you hear me? Hello, Dave.
Yes, I can.
All right. So, Dave, do you know the answer?
No, I just got in. What was the question?
You don't have you're not required to do calculate for this. It's just straightforward. All right. Out of this test, all right, the text that is like information. So you just need to do that the stuff. So it's just pretty straightforward. It's based on theory. All right. This is a theoretical based question. Remember, you don't really need of calculation for this part. Okay. All right. Now take a look at this. Okay. All right. First, you know that I okay. First, you need to customer entering and leaving. Okay. The second is the mail saving. Okay, mail saving. So because it's all like from one to another. Okay. So first is customers enter